Fracture. Is it now? It is. Indeed. Very cold in the America region right now. Windy, I don't got no wind, but very cold. Very cold though. Absolutely terrible. Terrible. Hey, at least you got some horsies. Some ducks. Some cows. Nice animals to keep you warm. Not too bad. Not too bad. We're almost done consuming this. At last. At last, the fit goes hard. That right there was bussin'. That right there was bussin'. Okay. Let's fix this up a little bit more. Hello, my very attractive looking individuals. Today is a very chill day, but today, it's time to get, to say the least, a little more serious. How long are we being live till? Okay, so right now for me it's 1:50, basically 1:50 p.m. MST. We plan on going until about 3:30 MST. So like 1:30 to 3:30. So that's like what? That's 2 hours. About 2 more hours from now. Almost exactly, because I'm going to be running late, obviously. So about that much time. Hopefully enough to get on some actual programming today. We need to address the elephant in the room, so to speak. Elephant in the room. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Let's bring this over here. Let's take a look. What's up, my boy? What's up? Oh, you'll miss this stream today. I'm so sorry to hear that. I'm so sorry to hear that. You're a busy man, though. You're a very busy man. I'm sure you got a lot of very, very important things that this world is calling you to do at this moment. Yeah, we need to address the elephant in the room real quick. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. You'll catch you in the next. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Hey. We might be doing that's the nice part about Mondays and Tuesdays is where there's gonna be copious amounts of good content that's gonna be coming out. Good, very, very fun stuff. So don't even worry about it, my guy. You, my friend, are a very busy man, as you've clearly made very clear. You know what I mean? You were a busy man, very busy man. So you do not worry about that. Oh, it's so cool. It automatically adjusts the size of the chat. Yeah, have a good stream and good day at work. Thank you, Sir Fracture. As always, your words are encouraging. As always. Thank you for being here. Even if it's brief, we appreciate it, my friend. We greatly appreciate it. Long live Sir Fracture. Okay, we need to address the elephant in the room. Maybe wondering, why are we looking at this, my friend? Why are we looking at this? Well, I'm going to show you exactly why we're looking at this. We're not looking at that, although that's tragic. That's tragic. We've gone down 2 subscribers, but that's okay. But what we're looking at, what we're waiting for, is this guy. All right, watch this. Watch this. We're gonna move this right over here. We're gonna make me a little bit smaller. We're gonna go up. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna show you the tragedy. We'll not be late. We won't be late to work this time, my friend. Sir Fracture. Don't you even worry. In your name, we will not be late. Okay. How do I do this? What the frick? One sec. Oh, here it is. No. Huh? Okay, we have to just redo this. One sec. What's happening? Maybe it's because I'm doing that. That's what's happening. Nope, not this. Sorry, give me a moment. What's up, my boy? What's up? I hope you're having a swell time. If you give us just a brief momentum, just a brief moment. Oh, here we go. We have found what we are looking for. We have found what we are looking for. Oh. Maybe. Okay. Right here. Right here. What does it look like over here? I don't know. I really wish I could zoom in on this. That'd be very convenient. But it looks like it does not wish to resize itself. No, not chat. Here we go. Okay, give me a moment. You know what? We're gonna go right here. This works. Okay. If you'll feast your eyes upon... Oh my god! I have 50 million acres of monitor real estate, and I still managed to... Okay, dude, Jesus. Feast your eyes upon this here comment, if you will. This is a very informative comment. Very informative comment. 2 hours for print. 2 hours for print. This is what we did. This is what I did. I mean, I was on a lunch break, but still. I told you, bro, stop procrastinating. Come on, dude. We just want you to be better. Oh, and it's essential to define a learning objective. Why are you learning Python? Ask yourself this question. Also, please, lock in, please. He's pleading. If not for me, for Fracture. Or for yourself. What does this mean? What is this? What is our boy, what is he talking about? He's talking about the fact the whole stream, and we learned one thing in Python. There are thousands of things to learn in Python. Thousands upon thousands of things to learn in Python. And we learned 2 things. 2 things. Neither of which we put into practice. So, what am I saying right now? I am saying that today, this special, not so special day, we need to lock the fuck in. It's that simple. It's that simple. We need to lock the fuck in. You look at Sir Christian, like this. We're gonna go to, watch this. Look at this. Go here. Go to Christian. Look at this man. Look at this man's growth. Oh, you can't see it. Okay, I'm being a little silly. Look at this man's growth. Look at that. I remember that shit was at like 1,300 subscribers like a week ago. Look at this man's consistency. Look at this man's consistency. Look at this. Multiple streams in a day. Multiple streams in a day. This is what we need to strive for, my friends. This is what we need to strive for. Look at this man. Look at this man. He's up. When is this happening? It is happening a while from now. If we want to achieve greatness, we must lock the fuck in. Summon Christian gods. Yeah, dude. Honestly, I probably could. I probably can get him in the fucking Discord. Nah, he's probably sleeping. He's probably sleeping like a rock right now. But this is what you call dedication, my friends. This is what you call dedication. This is a man of dedication. Look at this. 67 days. 67 days. 67 days. Oh no, I said the word. I just realized I'm saying the word. Fuck. Whatever. Point I'm trying to get at, my friends, is we need to lock the fuck in. Stocks had a very, very important thing, which is we just need to lock the fuck in. But yeah, okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, today is gonna be just that. We are to go right over here. We are to get to some bussin' background music going. Some bussin' Brazilian background music. I don't even know what the fuck, if that's even like a thing. We're gonna like this. What a memento. Words. Where are you in Python? Yeah, that's exactly what we were just getting at, my friend. We are at absolutely fuck ass nowhere in Python. That is precisely where we're at. Play Man of Focus, John Wick. I think I know exactly what you're talking about. If it's chill enough, and hopefully I don't get copyrighted out my ass, then we can cook. Song. We're gonna do song. Man of Focus. I wonder if this is copyrighted. This seems like something that it seems like something of copyrighted material. Okay, let's see. We're gonna do desktop audio right here. I like this. It's a little upbeat, so that's okay. It's upbeat. It's a lot of upbeat. Speakerphone. See, it's chill, but it's a little upbeat. It's a little upbeat. You feel me? What other recommendation we got? Emotions. So, the Social Network, bro. Peak. The Social Network is a peak show. We're gonna like this. I'm gonna get copyrighted. I'm gonna get copyrighted in my ass. It's yeah, and I'm just gonna have to enjoy it. Oh, you guys can't see it. I wanna make sure you guys can. All right, end Dead Man. Try this beat. Okay, here's what we're doing. Here's what we're gonna do. Okay, we're gonna try this last. Well, hold on. I'm gonna skip forward a little bit. Y'all got some weird music tastes. Weird to try this one last one, and then we are to put on our bussin' music shit. I'm assuming you're talking about this. I'm gonna get copyrighted so fucking hard, it's crazy. bad. It's not bad. That's actually not bad. I mean, if it lasted 15 hours, that'd be great. But I'm sure I'm being copyrighted in this very moment. So we probably can't. I'd love to continue this, but like, whenever something's copyrighted, it's nice because whenever YouTube gives you the option to just replace the audio. That's why we can use copyrighted material. I mean, not copyrighted. We can use legally wrapped up songs in the intro because I'm not speaking. I'm just whipping a boogie. You know what I'm saying? And we can just replace that audio. It's really easy. But whenever it comes to talking throughout the whole thing, it's really difficult to replace that. So this is busting. But what we must do is this. No, we don't. Not this. Not that. Okay, we're gonna music. Dude, my music tastes fucked. So, oh, you guys can't see it, so I'm fucking chilling. I'm chilling. I thought you guys were about to see all my wonky fucking honky music tastes, and I was about to be like, oh no, bro. Oh no. But let's go like this. Theme music. God, I look up 2 things and it's already in my room. Jesus. Okay. Okay. Where is this nice ambient? Yes. 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 I'm gonna get copyrighted out of the fuck for this, but the fucks I give are non-existent. Okay, this is not karaoke. This is time to lock the fuck in. What am I doing? Okay, okay. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. I'm sorry if you had to witness that. Like this. I hope that is just enough to where it tickles your brain. Just enough. Yeah, no, exactly. We're done. We're done. We are done. Okay, let's go. There's so much dead space right here. What do I do with that? Chat? No. That's fine. Okay. Let's just lock the fuck up. We have 2 hours. A little less than 2 hours now. So we must cook. We must cook. Oh, dude, it doesn't save my goddamn spot. That is slightly infuriating. Okay, numbers, strings, Boolean operators. We got past this. I think it's arithmetic. Assignment operators. We got to this. Yeah, so everything, homie said from everything here down is binary. Binary, bubblegum binary bullshit. Okay, we got this. Yeah. Yeah. What is the result of this? 5 equal to 5. Well, if 5 is true? Yeah. Yeah, true. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Okay. Logical operators. Do we get to this? I don't know. See, I click this bookmark right here, and then it goes away. And then it goes away. I don't... Bookmarks. We're going to click on bookmarks. Okay. Let's continue. Let's continue. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Logical op. operators. All right, logical operators. And once again, we are still covering shit we already know, but we're just checking it out. Okay, logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. Yeah. Not. This is the one. I know these two. I don't know this one. All right, not. Reserves the result. Returns false if the result is true. Not. Huh? Reserves the result. Wait. Reserves a result. Oh, what's up, my man? It's funny, I was actually just watching a live stream from a while ago, and I remember you had some funny things you were saying, my guy. You had some funny funny things you're saying. Nice seeing you again, my friend. Nice seeing you again. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Not. Okay, we'll try it out. Like, I know how to use a not thing, but this is such a weird... Okay. X equals 5. Print not. So, print not X greater than 3 and X is less than 10. Okay, it's because of this and right here. If it changes to or, then it should print, it should return a true, because this one is true. This is a less than symbol, right? Oh, it's checking if it's not, so it's just flipping it. Huh? False, yeah, false. We do get false. We do indeed get false. But why? Why, my friend? Why did we receive false? Okay, you know what we don't need? All of this jargon. Oh, okay, but that directly intrudes. Yeah, that works. Let's go like that. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna go with this. Example. Test if a number is greater than 0 and less than this. X. Print. Okay. 5 is greater than 0. True. And X is less than 10. This is also true. True. Very true. I can see how this makes like an if statement almost. Like it's like returning a Boolean. Okay. Yeah. I'm just a little confused on this one. Okay, so this right here is going to return a Boolean. But then... So what if we were to just remove this not? Let's just remove that real quick. Let's see what happens. We just get true? I think we just get true. We get nothing. Why is this? Is my PRINTX true? I have no idea what the fuck just happened right there. Okay. Then why does it return the opposite when we put not? I feel like you would do this. You would, instead of not being like how it was, it'd be like this. And NOT. What would this return? That just doesn't even make any sense. But false. His statement makes very little logistical sense. Why? Why does this return? I mean, I think it's going to get to it, hopefully, but they're not doing too good of it. They're just, like, it's really just, okay, whatever. We're just going to continue. see if it'll explain it, hopefully very soon. Example. Test if the number is greater than 0 and less than 10. It's going to return true. Okay, example. Test if a number is less than 5 or greater than 10. This one would be this one would be false. Or I guess, or this is like less, this is greater than or equal to because it's the same. So I think it'd print true. False. What's up? That's a very peculiar username. Okay, I can't. Or maybe I'm just having a stroke. That's probably likely what it is. Okay, this makes sense. All this should make sense. Like, we've kind of gone through it. We just didn't actually fucking learn it, if that makes sense. Okay, we're gonna try this real quick. We're gonna try this little exercise. This makes sense now. This makes a lot more sense. Yes. This makes sense. Alright. What is the result of... I don't even know what would spit out this none. Like, we went over that, but it did not... It literally, like, had 1 millisecond of teaching it, so I don't know what would you have to do in order to get this spit out. Let's see. What is the result of... This is less than, right? Okay, 5 is less than 7. And, false? Correct, yeah, okay. Let's continue. What is the result of... It's the exact same thing, am I correct? What are you talking about? It's the exact, oh my god. It's the exact same thing. What is the result of 5 is less than 7 or 5 is greater than 7? Both of these are false. Would it be none? How the fuck is this true? Okay. How in the bloody fuck is this true? Jesus Christ, this is taking a minute to compile. Fuck. And it returns nothing. Oh, print. Obviously, we need to print it. Jesus. Because 7 is greater than... Oh, yeah. Print. 1 sec. Yeah, but this is the less than symbol, right? I feel like I'm remembering that, right? Cut. Let's try this one more time. This is the less than sign. Oh. I can't even. True though? Oh no, this is the wrong one. Yeah. We do not ask AI. Okay, 5 is indeed less than 7. Okay, true. Or, it's an or. I thought it was an and. I think it's because of clicking over here. This is why I think I was having a seizure. Jesus Christ. 0% success rate on that one. Okay. What does the not operator do? That's a good fucking question. You didn't tell me yet. You didn't tell me yet. So I don't know. I don't know. What does the not operator do? Compare two values. Okay, this is good to know. So the not operator, not, I don't know what the none operator does, but the not operator, that switches the Boolean value, whatever the fuck it is. Okay. I'm assuming it's only to the Boolean value. Use a correct logistical operator to check if the last one of these two statements is true. Okay. If 5 is equal to 10, or we got this. We got this. Okay. If 2, okay, well, what does the if, or no, what does the is statement check? If two values are equal, if two variables point to the same object, I don't know. This is a very, I don't know about W3 schools. It's kind of like doing a whole like, oh, yeah, we're not going to teach you about it, but like, here's the test, and you'll learn in the test. I don't know. It just seems a little stupid. If two values are equal, yeah. Okay, we're just guessing because I have a fuck all clue. What did I even press? There's no back button, of course there's not. Of course there's no back button. Jesus. You already completed this exercise. Do you want to take it in? Sure. I'm gonna kill myself. It is just such a poorly designed thing. It's very poorly designed. I could do better. I can't, but I'm gonna say this so I can protect my ego from punishment. What is the result of 5? True. Okay, it was the middle one versus. Oh no, this is versus the Boolean. Yeah, that's correct. Or and it's just gone. The question's gone. Oh, it's because we went on to the next fucking. Oh my god! It's because we literally went on to the next goddamn thing. Oh, what's up, boy? What do you mean at least read chat, my friend? What do you mean at least read chat? What are you referring to? At least read chat. I've been reading chat, boy. But what is up? I hope, Sir Lover Labs, I hope you are having a swell time on this. For you, it's probably the next day, isn't it? But whatever day you may be in, I hope you're having a swell time. Okay. This is why I was having a fucking seizure, is because I went on to the next goddamn thing somehow. Okay, identifier operators. Okay, this explains so much. Okay, identify operator or identity operators are used to compare the objects, not if compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same objects, with the same memory location. Okay. Thank you, Lover Labs. You are here, as always, to pull together a nice stream. I appreciate you. I appreciate you a lot. Oh yeah, no, I'm kind of being boring today. Like today, I'm to put it simply, we're learning today. To put it simply, we are learning today. Okay. I don't know if I like this camera setup either. But that's okay, you know? That's okay. Like this. I wish you could see like the camera setup that's on right now. It's so goofy. Okay. Yeah, it's very boring, but it's the learning part. That's why we're learning, brother. That's why we're learning. Okay. Operator. Description example, try it. Okay. Is returns true if both variables are true or are the same object. Okay. X is Y. This makes sense. It's not. Returns true if both variables are not. So if you can be like, so let's say like instead of a roulette game, just because that's something I'm familiar with our homie's code that he wrote for us. If random, or let's say you're playing dice, right? If random number selected is not your guess, the thing you bet on, then we can call upon like a function or something like that. Call upon next person in line, because I think that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Not bro, I have done these tests on websites, but this shit is useless, believe me. Yeah, I kind of want to believe you, but I gotta give it a try. I haven't been giving it its time it needs. Okay, I'm looking at the wrong thing. You know what I'm saying? The is operator returns true if the variable points to the same object. What? Oh, I see what this is. I see what this is saying. Okay. So x equals apple banana, y equals apple banana, z equals x. Print x is okay. Print x is z. This is correct. Yes. Print x is y. Correct. Is it the same thing as doing this? It's the same thing as doing this, right? We're gonna try it ourselves real quick. True. Why is this one false? Hey, Lover Labs, why is the middle one false? This I do not understand. Why is the middle one right here false? This does not quite make sense to me. What is happening here? Because we are checking to see if the operator's turn. Oh, because this is like a different set. Maybe they might have the same valuable, or they might have the same like value, but they both point to the same object. This is different. Object meaning the actual thing, not the actual, because the data set could be the exact same. Yo, what's up, my guy? I hope you're having a swell afternoon. Thank you for joining us, my friend. Wait, no, that was someone else. It was someone else that like spams hi every time they join the chat. They spam hi for like 20 minutes. But what is up, my friend? It is nice seeing you, as always. Okay, this is kind of making sense a little bit. Yeah. So the is statement, it's checking to see if it's coming from the same object. That would have been an aneurysm worth of confusion if I figured that out later instead of code. This is a different object. Different object. Yes, this makes sense now. This makes sense. I am an ethical hacker. Is this right, my friend? Is this right? Yes, that's true. Yeah, Sir Lover Labs. But I guess I was curious as to why this is returning a false, because checking this makes sense. X is equal to, well, okay. This makes sense. We don't have to do, like, this makes sense. We can get rid of that. Let's run this. Do X equals to Y, it won't. Is capital? Is it capital or lowercase? I think it's lowercase. X is equal to Y. Oh, we probably have to put it up here. To Y. This won't return anything because, yeah, no, that's, if we were to do X, is X equal to Y? Yeah, we already know this. Yeah. Oh, what's up, my friend? I did not get to your thing, your code, the other day, and we should do that sometime relatively soon, my friend. Maybe not like right now, but we should do that sometime within the next hour if you're down. It was you, right? Yeah, it was you that wanted me to check out your GitHub, right? Above is your own. Of course, I'm assuming that's what that's referring to. After stream some other time. Of course. Let's do it after stream some other time then. That seems like a swell idea. Swell idea. Above is your own GitHub. Please show me where above is your own GitHub. I'm not seeing this. I'm not seeing it. But yes. So okay. Oh, I'm doing top chat again. God damn it. Yeah. This is the most annoying fucking thing. I'm still not seeing it, actually. For some reason. Try it again. Try it one more time. It automatically... I need to ensure that it does that, because it's... I don't know why it's saying only top... Like, I don't know why it always switches to top chat. It's really stupid. But it also might not allow you to send a link inside of it. That's probably what's happening. You probably can't send a link, and no one can see it but you. Who knows? Yeah. So it's because you're sending a link inside a chat. You cannot do that. YouTube does not like this. But what you can do is go to the Discord, go to projects, and paste it in there. And we can check it out. And also, I don't know what GitHub is. A lot of people are wanting me to check out their GitHubs. I've had 5 people now. 6. I've had 6 people that have sent me links to their GitHub. I don't know what GitHub is. I mean, I've heard of it a million times. I've been to it. I've copied code from it. But I do not know how to use it, or like, I don't know what the platform is. I don't know if it's a code sharing website or if it's like Instagram, but for projects. I don't know. We might have to look up a video on what the hell GitHub is. Do X equals X equal. Okay, is this the correct syntax? Or are you actually saying like X equal? Like that? It doesn't seem right. It's probably gonna throw an error. Yeah, it's gonna throw an error. X. Ooh. You mean this. Hold on. Oh, it's also capitalized. Okay, X equals. I hope all y'all are doing swell this amazing afternoon. Thank you for being here. I appreciate every single one of you as always. I thank you for stopping by and just checking out the shit. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it. Let's see. We have false. X is Z. No. X is Y. X is indeed Y. Okay, I'm a little confuzzled. It's this is statement. It's a little tricky. I'm confused as to why it's not this. True and true. Okay, this is what we're gonna focus on right now. This is what we're gonna focus on. We're to remove. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Bam! Look at this. Now we can simplify. I was making shit too complicated. This is statement. Why is it not this? This is our question. Okay. Okay. You can upload your projects on it so other people can use it. Really? Thank you. That's good to know. Very good to know. It's very cool. It will. Yeah, that is very cool. Yeah, it is very cool. It will make you a better programmer. Anything. I'm a whore for anything that'll make me a better programmer. Okay. I'm a whore for that shit. Anything. Give it to me. I'll get on that shit. I'll get on that shit. Z equals to XY. Oh, that's so confused. Okay. So here we have X is equal to this. Y is equal to, it's the same thing, right? It's the same thing, but the first one is false and the second one is true. Why is this? So the second one, it is checking to see if the same value, it is equal to the same value. But if we go like this, then they should both be false. Both are false. So, and also let's try this real quick. We're gonna try 1, because it's an integer now. Now it's completely different. Integers are different. Integers are different. It's the same thing as computer is a dumb fuck. This same thing, but computer is a dumb fuck. This same thing, but computer is dumb fuck. I don't know how to interpolate that question or that statement. You're calling me a dumb fuck or the computer a dumb fuck? I mean, I feel like at this point we're both dumb fucks, but yes, please interpolate. But okay, let's see. Yeah, there we go. This is like microscopically. Is computer. Computer is. Oh, okay. I see. At this point, I think I'm more dumb fuck. Oh, I guess. Okay, so for a string, for a list, no matter what, these are different lists. So X is Y is not true. Because they're separate lists, I suppose. If it was an integer, then it's fine. I suppose. PC is dumb. Yes. PC is, well, not this PC. My PC is intelligent. My PC is superior. Okay, my PC is. Yes. Use VS Code? No. 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 Maybe one day, but no, not right now. Too much. Okay, yeah, I agree. Fuck this compiler. It takes 9,000 years. It's a little stupid, but I don't really have the screen real estate to be doing that. I think I just lied to you. I think I just lied to you. I think I just lied to you. Oh, Windows, by the way. I didn't answer your question. I'm using Windows. That's my bad. I'm a little slow to the answering of questions. I am using Windows. Unfortunately. Okay, unfortunately. Not of my own will. Okay, it's just because it is coherent with everything else and it throws less errors at my current knowledge. Okay. Lover Labs. Peak as always. Thank you. Let's get a little close and personal. It was a little better. Oh wow, I can like actually get over here. Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's a little too close. Okay. What does it look like? It looks fine. Yeah, we can write right here. Yeah, that's fine. There we go. I like this. I like this a lot. Oh, what's up, Clipper? My boy Clipper. Clipper my zipper. I thought I was about to say something else, but I'm not going to. I'm not gonna. He's my Clipper, though. He's my Clipper. My Clipper, my Clipper. My Clipper, my Clipper. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Let's never do that again. Well, maybe. Okay. Well, Sir Clipper, I hope you are having a good time. I hope you're having a good time. Okay. Right now we are learning the is statement. Wait, I made an app to download YouTube videos. Ooh. Was this you that was talking to me inside of Discord? Was it you? No, that was someone else. That was our boy up here. I think. Oh, I guess you can't see chat, can you? Or me, what I'm highlighting. It was our boy right here. Yeah. Well, once again, if you have... Once again, if you have an amazing project such as that, please, I beg of you, put it in the Discord for us hooligans to finagle with it, for us to inspect it, okay? Are you learning in real time? You must be new here. That's okay. That is okay. There's going to be a lot of new people here. Am I learning in real time? I'm actually Doctor Strange, okay? I'm so slow at learning. I'm using the time stone just to speed up your guys' perception of how slow I'm reading. Just a little bit more. I'm like, Wah! Speeding up just how slow it is. In real time, yes, but at a snail's pace. At a snail's pace. That is exactly what we're... Yeah, but yeah, we are learning in real time. If you'll stick around for like about 30 more seconds, you'll realize just how autistic I am. And, yeah. But we are learning in real time, though. Slow, albeit slowly. But real time it is. Okay. So this one, it is dependent upon the data type that's inside of these variables. It is very dependent. So this right here, no go. No, actually, we need to copy and paste this real quick. Control C, bam, bam. We're gonna run it. What was the run button? Was it Control Shift 10? It is. Let's go like this. Make sure that my fat face is not blocking any answers. Let's see. Bro, let's make an app that will delete whole computer. Here's the thing. Here's the thing, my friends. This is a very, one might think it's a very silly comment. One might think it's a very silly comment, but if you can successfully do that, my friend, you will no longer be a poor man. You will be a very rich man. It's silly, but in practice, a lot of people would really like this. A lot of people would really like this. You know what I'm saying? Easy as hell? I don't know. Because it's like, if your goal is for a habit tracker, then there's other devices. What about your phone? What about there's so many things that go into that. But unfortunately right now we are learning about the is statement. We are learning about the is thingamajigger. So I'm a little behind. I'm a little behind on your current learning prowess. Okay. Yes. Okay. We don't need this. We don't need that. Oh, actually, it might be valuable. Hold on. This is valuable. Oh my god, that was valuable this whole time. So these are different, right? The same... Look at this. Okay, look at... Oh, my boy. I'm sorry, let me read that one more time. Yo, Jacob, you should learn how to torrent so you can borrow all of the tasty content. My friend, please elaborate. This is nice having you in here, my friend. It is very nice having you in here. Actually, I went back to just last night. I went back to the very first stream that you were with us in. It was a while ago, actually. It was surprisingly a while ago. But I would love it if you could elaborate. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just elaborate on what it is you were referring to, my good friend. Please. This would mean a lot to me. If someone can't control his willpower, then should unalive. That's the thing, right? That's the thing. I am trying to control my own willpower to not speak to chat right now. That's what I'm trying to do. It's just not going too successful. Okay? You know what I'm saying? It's not going too successful. This is okay. To some extent. But you know what I'm saying? Okay, let's get back to this. Okay, we have figured out what it is we are trying to do. Okay, hold on. Torrenting. P2P. Oh, torrenting is downloading a P2P. Piracy. You can download any type of content for free. No, I'm not evil. Lock in, Jacob. Me boy, lock in. Yes. And do not worry, this whole P2P, I don't know, whatever you're referring to it as, the P word. Don't worry. I do this on a minutely basis. Minutely. Whenever I edit any video, all that background music is permanently borrowed via P2P, whatever it is you're referring to. And whenever it comes to watching any show ever that I've watched, except for like Avatar, except for in the theaters, if I've watched any show in the past year, you think I'm paying for Netflix, my friend? You think I'm paying for Crunchyroll, my friend? You think I'm paying for the electricity bill that's powering my internet router that's stealing that data, borrowing that data from the World Wide Web. This is how we get our information. Okay. This is how we get our content. Is via piracy. The good kind, of course. Of course, because there's bad kind and there's good kind, right? We're on the good side. Because we are. Of course. Support your creators, though. Not me. I'm saying, like, support the people that make dope shit. But sometimes it's a little too expensive, so we use the P2P method. Bro, open up command prompt and write P2P, install Wikipedia. Level Labs, you were the funniest guy. You know that? You're the funniest guy. Sometimes you're just so random. You're so random. Like, it's like a random generator at its finest. Like, there's no generator that could possibly come up with the shit that you spout. Like, it's so random that, like, it actually introduces more chaos into the world. Like Einstein would not be able to comprehend the amount of randomness that is emitted from your chats. You all use that app? I made that. Oh, you all use that app. I made that. I see what you're saying now. The torrent protocol allows you to download files. So this is like inside of... You're saying I can download like... This is cool. This is good information. I'm going to look into what it is you're referring to because there's some things I want to download, but I'm a little scared because the websites that are required to go there are just... You know what I mean? I hope you know what I mean. I'm talking about it's a show I'm trying to watch, not anything else you're referring to. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, we're gonna get back to fucking. We're gonna lock in. Okay, so here's what we've learned. This statement we're trying to learn about the is statement. Is x equal to z? Or sorry, is x equal to y? No, this is not true. That's false right here. It's not true. You know why it's not true? Because these aren't the same object. Look at this. Same object. Where does it go? Same object. Same object. Or, no. Yeah, same object. So, we turn them into the same object via this. X is z. This is true now. This is true. You can't do x is y. This is going to be false because they're different things. You can turn them into a data type in which it does carry over, like an integer. Now we should get all trues. All trues. So what do we learn? We learn that the x the is statement returns a Boolean value. If the thing is returning from the same state, the same object. If we're asking for the same object, yeah, it returns true if both variables are from the same object. Let's try this. Okay, we're gonna go like C. Like this. Print apple, banana, clipper. We're gonna go Yes, yes. Wisely said, my friend. Wisely said. This is correct. This is about what I'm getting. This is about what I've learned. Is checking to see if the variable points to the same place in memory. This seems correct. Okay, Clippo. And we're gonna just go do labs. Okay. Okay, now I have a question for you guys real quick because I don't know how to type this out. Wait. If X is I don't even know how I'll do that. Bro, do you have book name? I do not have that book. I do not have that. No. Sorry, I just had a stroke right there. I had a stroke. Am I okay, tell me, right now, I need you to tell me in chat, am I looking at you? Am I looking directly at you? Like, would I be looking, so I'm looking at the camera right now and I'm like having a seizure. I'm not looking at you, am I? I'm like looking out over here. I'm looking right into the lens. Is this look like a lazy eye or something? Am I tripping? I must be tripping. I must be tripping. Okay. If X is no, okay, is okay. One sec. We're having a stroke right now. We are having a small stroke. Let's try this. Yeah. Yo, Jacob, guess my age. You told me before. I'm trying to recall from memory. I know it. 16? 15 or 16? I know you're not 17. So it's 15 or 16. One or the other. It's not. What happens now? Yeah, I guess obviously. What if we do this now? X equal to I kind of get that idea. 12? You're not 12 years old. There's no fucking way. There's no way. I don't even believe you. I don't even believe you. That'd be diabolical. I feel like we get this. We get this. Okay. Okay, the is not operator returns true if both variables do not point to the same object. It really is just as simple as homie said. It really, oh my god. It's as simple as the homie said. It's really that simple. Yes, bro, I'm really 12. I feel like you're capping. I feel like you're capping. You know what I'm saying? I feel like you're capping. Alright, difference between blank. Oh, okay, Jesus fucking Christ. Sometimes I just need to just literally go down a little bit more. I just spent all that time. Oh my god. Ah! Someone just kill me now. Just kill me now. This is what we were trying to figure out for the past. Oh my god. Whatever. Okay. Difference between is and double equal sign. Checks if both variables point to the same object. This is what took us that long to. Okay. Checks to see if both variables are equal. This is why we can have this. This is why we can have this. But then this is good. Because what if we do this? I think we're gonna get if you know C++, you know what you need to do? Get into Arduino. Build yourself a robot. Or a game. Either or. Oh, what's up, brother? Zero gaming okay. Zero? I'm gonna call you Zero. It is nice seeing you, my friend. As always. Very nice seeing you. Okay. This makes sense though. This does make sense. Yeah. This is what because these are, as homie said, not from the same thing. They might be the same value, but they're not from the same thing. Now, if we're to do this though, it's gonna return true because they are equal to the same thing. Okay, totally makes sense. I learned a little bit right there. That's good. Okay. Okay, example. Bam. Bam. Print x is equal to y. What the fuck would that return? Like, this is not checking to see if there's a variable. No, you didn't. Cap. That's fucking cap. There's thousands. There's thousands. Or hundreds. Oh, what's up, my boy? What is up? I hope you're having a swell time again. I hope you're having a swell time. Where? I hope you're having a swell time, my guy. I really do. I'm calling cap though on that. I'm calling cap. There are thousands of libraries instead of Arduino that I'm aware of. Yeah. If you learned all of them, you would be an intellect beyond all comprehension, which I don't doubt. But, you know. See, all and the important ones are very different. That's a very different statement right there. Very different. The difference in effort level will go from like 1,000,000% effort to like 1,000,000,000,000% effort. You know what I mean? Like, there's a lot of all libraries to the most important ones are very different. He is a cornball, but that's okay. We like some cornballs. Hey, what's up, my guy? I hope you're doing swell. I hope you're doing so very swell, my friend. I'm glad to see you here, as always. All of you amazing individuals. All of you amazing individuals. Thank you, guys, for being here. All of you guys, I appreciate it. Thank you. Hope you guys are having a swell evening. A swell evening. And we're actually learning today. We're actually learning. Exactly. He's said very well, my friend. He's 12. He's supposed to be a cornball. Exactly. Don't worry, Lover Labs. You will understand when you're like 18 and above. No, like 17. Once you get to 17 and above, you'll understand what I mean. It's not an insult. It is. You're supposed to, when you're 12 years old, dude. You're supposed to be a cornball. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if it translates because I'm from English and like I think you're Indian. At least I have the impression. I do not know. But like don't worry. You're supposed to be. It's a phase we must all go through. It's a phase we all miss going through, at least to some extent. You know what I mean? Exactly. Exactly, my friend. Except for when you're saying really silly stuff. Sometimes you say really silly stuff, but don't you worry. Yeah. Don't worry. We are not treating you like a toddler, my friend. That is the furthest thing from the truth. We are not treating you like a toddler. We are saying that. How do I explain it? Some of us, I'm sure, are jealous at where you are in life. 12 years old is just it's such a fun age to be because like anything you put your mind to, you can kind of just do it. You know what I mean? Like you have to worry about school and stuff. It's really annoying. But like if you want to just fucking learn the entirety of Arduino in your free time, you can just fucking do it. You know what I mean? But when you get a little older, there's bills you have to pay. No, don't. My friend, this is okay. I digress. You are superior in these parts, okay? You are superior. Oh, dude, I wish I started. Yeah, dude, freaking Sir Labs started when he was 8. At age of 8, I would kill someone to be able to have that opportunity. Think about that. I'd have 12 years of experience right now. I'd have 12 years of experience if I started at the time that this man did. 12 years. 12. Literally his age. I would have his age worth of experience. But no, that is not the case. That is not the case. Enough yapping. I need to get back to learning. But this is good. We learn good stuff. Okay. Now I'm 20. I'm 20 as well. Yeah. The unemployment is costing. Dude, unemployment, my friend, is so... Oh, dude, it's bad. It's bad. I'm lucky. I'm grateful. I have to go to my job and oh my god, less than an hour now. I have to go back to my job. But holy shit, bro, unemployment's crazy. It's crazy. But then you have some people that are like, unemployment's non-existent. The job market's great. It's like, shut up, brother. Shut up. The job market's terrible. You could literally be a doctorate in something and still not get a job. It's bad. But yeah. 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 Let me explain something. Let me tell you something. The fact that you can pick up on that is kind of insane. It's kind of insane. My boss is easily the kindest individual on this planet. Easily. His name's Justin. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. I think it's fine because there's a lot of justice in this world. But he's a great guy. He's like, I mean, I have been so... How do I explain this? Not professional at my professional job. And he's been like, exactly, W Justin, bro, W Justin. He's been so lenient with my dumbass. It's insane. It's insane. I'm trying to get better at being as professional as possible because I should any day just lose. I mean, I would not blame him if I lost my job today. I wouldn't even blame them. There's people that are looking for jobs that are infinitely more responsible, on time, all the attributes that make a good person, good employer or employee, that are looking for a job that are better than me. But he's sticking with me, so I appreciate him a lot. And yeah, no, he's a G. Yeah. Except coding, I learned some goofy stuff too. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, W boss. Let's get back to it, boys. We only have about 30-ish minutes left. We only have 30 minutes left. So let's get back to this. We have learned this. This was invaluable information. It makes a lot more. You guys done a damn good job at mansplaining that shit to me. Excuse me. We're out. We are out. I'm going to have so much fun with modules. What is this other one? Plement. What is plement? Quickly, in like one sentence, describe plement if you would. Like, just, I mean, you can chat GPT if like, in order to describe it. But like, what does it do? Okay, let's lock in. Let's lock in, boys. Placement. Which language is best? This is a very good question. Hold on. We're making a poll. Start a poll. Python or C++? No, that's equals. I've already chosen mine. Some of you guys know what mine is. It might not be as intuitive because we're doing this. But what are your thoughts on that? What are your thoughts? JavaScript. Some people are saying JavaScript, brother. Seriously? Best language to start is JavaScript? I thought that's the exact opposite. JavaScript seems fucking like voodoo magic. It seems like voodoo fucking magic, my friend. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Best language to learn, though? Or not to learn. You didn't ask that. You just said best language. Personally, yeah, it's about mixed, but personally, I'm with C++. The reason why is because it can do anything. You can do anything. It's object-oriented. You can do Arduino shit with it. And that's kind of it. You can do Arduino shit, and it's good for real stuff. If that makes sense. Okay. Let's lock the fuck in. But yeah, what is this placement thing? What are you talking about, my guy? Placement? Plement? I don't know. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Sorry, that took me so goddamn long to get to. Strict you. You understand that most of the world is written in JavaScript, and that's why most of the world's shitty. W comment. W comment. Okay. All right. What does the is operator check? If two variables are equal, if two variables point to the same object. We can answer this now. We can answer this with confidence. Before we didn't. Let's go to the next one. All right. What is the result of... This is a good question. It's true. This is that on paper, but in Python, I think it's false because they're not at the same. They're not the same variable. False. Correct. Yeah, they're not the same variable. Same value, but it's not the same variable. Okay. What is the difference between is and is? Is checks identity. I think this one. Identity meaning like the variable. And then value is value. Yeah. Awesome sauce. Look at that. We were learning. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at memberships. Something I really wish I could figure out how to set up. and operators. Under one condition, my friends. Under one condition. Under one condition. You subscribe. If I play this, then you must subscribe. It is a contractual obligation, my friend. Contractual obligation. So, if you will, consider hitting that like button. Shift F10. Thanks for joining the club, my boy. Thanks for joining us. I appreciate it. We all appreciate it. If you want, you should join the Discord. It's inside of my my YouTube banner what do you call it? Right here. Oh, look at that. Damn, we've gone up like a number of subscribers actually. That's crazy. Join the Discord, my friend. There's a lot of intelligence and a lot of intellects inside of that little. Yeah. Okay. W though. This is sick. This is sick. We were really low. So this is good. Very good. All right. Let's get into this. We have very little time left before. Let's. Hey Google. Not plugged in. Well. Oh, dude, that scared the piss out of me. Okay. We have like 20 more minutes left before I gotta get going. 20 minutes. Once this demon clock runs out, I must take my leave and go to my job for financial resources to pay the government to make missiles to bomb other countries, of course. Because why the fuck not? Okay. You can literally make a satellite tracker from Python. This is true. When you start to I see. Okay. Let's continue. Like this. Bam. Okay. Membership and operators. Membership operators are used to test if a sequence is presented in an object. We have operator description example. In returns true if a sequence within the specified value is present in the object. So let's do this. X is equal to copy. Bam. V. Okay, where is this doing that? Bam. Copy. Bam. Copy. Bam. Copy. Bam. Copy. Bam. Oh. Copy. Bam. Like this, right? So we have all these amazing individuals here. I would love to snatch some more, but for time's sake, we're to just use this. We're going to go like this. For poop in X. Print poop. Now, what is this to do? This is to basically spit out all this shit inside of a single file line. Exactly. Look at that. Look at all this amazing shit. Look at all that. Look at all that. Okay. This totally makes sense. We know how to use the in function a little bit. We are familiar with it, to say the least. Okay. Is this your first lang? 1, I like your profile picture. Sisyphus? I think, right? Sisyphus and the Rock. The Greek dude named Sisyphus and the Rock. Jesus Christ. Okay, Sisyphus. Yes, that is the name. Yes. So W profile picture. Also, is this my first lang? What is lang? Is this language? Are you talking about spoken or typed? Is technically not my first typed language. Yes to to which one? Spoken. 1 is spoken. 2 is typed. Which one are you referring to? Is my first spoken? Yes, my English is my first spoken. Is my first typed? Technically no, because I did a little bit of C++ with this Arduino IDE, as you can see right here. Let's go with this. Okay. Okay. This makes sense though. Oh, we are still right here. Try to make a list with like 3 strings, then check if a string is in that list. That's where in is more commonly. Wise, my friend. Wise idea. We're gonna go like this. Go like this. Go like this. This. And then here's what we're gonna do. Comma. 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 Oh. Comma. I don't think I need a comma. If, let's say, what if we were to just do this? A partial bit of the string, not the full string. We're going to do partial. If is in X. No, we have to do if statement. If. No. If. Print. We're going to do F. YOUR use here is copy. Bam. Oh. We don't, I'm trying to grab a value. I don't need to do that. I don't know why I felt the need to. There's no need for that. Okay. Else. ELSE. PRINT. YOUARE. Dumb. Okay. You're dumb. So you can only grab, you have to grab an entire thing, an entire string. Let's try it real quick. Let's try this real quick. Copy. Look at that. Look at that. We got it right there. I hope you got. Oh, you guys couldn't see it the whole fucking time. Jesus Christ, you couldn't see it the whole fucking time. Okay, so the first time, what was happening is we only had this. This guy right here prints out, you're dumb. Because if this is in this, which this string it technically isn't, only part of it, which part of it doesn't count, then we're going to do this. But if this isn't, which it isn't, then we're going to do this. So bam. But if we were to do this, if we were to copy the whole ass thing, whole 9 yards, bam, run it. Look at that. Money. Okay, we can continue now. Not in. Copy. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to do not in. Now which one is going to be printed? You think that's the you were dumb because previously it wasn't. Right? Previously we printed this. Or we're going to print this. What's going to happen? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, what's up, Fracture? How have you been? You're very welcome. You're very welcome for writing your name in your code. How's it going? Actually, it's going well. We're actually learning. We have exactly 10 minutes left on the demon timer. As you can, it's probably a little difficult to see my face. We have about 10 minutes left on the demon timer before we have to go back to paid slavery, which I'm not going to negate. I'm grateful for my paid slavery. Demon timer. Yes, demon timer is once this goes off and you hear beep 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 beep, that means the demon time is coming to get us and we must go back to work. Unfortunately. Yes. I don't know. They might have left. They might have. They're very busy individuals. They might have left. Okay, let's see. Yo, you wanna collab? Collab. Elaborate on that, because I am an. Elaborate upon what a collab would entail, my friend. Please. Because I look forward to such things. That'd be bussin'. But okay, where the fuck did what's happening here? Oh, this is what this was. But it must make sense. You know what I'm saying? It must make sense. Ah! Okay, this is to go over here. Okay, we do need to lock the fucking for this last like 10 minutes. As much as I just want to yap to chat, this is not an option. Learning is kind of priority. Like this, right about here. Oh, that's what I could have done this whole time. I just moved this down here. Just down here. We're kind of getting back in the flow. We're getting back into it. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, the string is basically its own object. Yeah. So you need to check for the expected value. Makes sense. You could do like for user in X, if string you want in user, print yes. This totally makes sense. Do you see? Yeah, we already went over that. Yeah, I don't think forgive me. You know what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say. And Clipper, my Clipper. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I don't think they're in here, but that's okay. You can also get the length of a string. Yes. We already know how to do that. We're not going to do that. We already know how to do that. This is not my main channel. Oh, I see. I deleted my previous ones. Well, let me know what that would entail. You know what you should do, my friend? Join our Discord. You should join our Discord. That is right here. That is right here. Join our Discord. And then we can we can get into some shenanigans. You know what I'm saying? It's funny. This number's been going everywhere. It got up to like 903, but then it went down to like 800 and like 97, and then it went back up to like 904, and now it's like, dude, it's fucking everywhere. It's going everywhere. Okay, let's lock in for this last little bit. We have 5 minutes exactly, which is not ideal. Do I know how to use libraries in Python? Not yet, but we are getting to that hopefully soon. Okay, this makes sense. Example, check if banana is present in a list. Okay, fruits equals this. Print banana in fruits. I forget that you can do these like in statements in the print statement. Like, what is this called again? Membership operators, yeah. You can do that. Okay, this makes sense. Print banana in fruits. Okay, we're gonna do this. Oh, of course we must do this. Fracture, comma. We are to go like this. Control C. I guess we can do that. Print fracture. Oh wait, hold on. In. I see what's happening. I'm being autistic as always. In. Oh, what am I doing? In X. It's gonna print this regardless. Yeah, if this is true. So this is kind of. We can do this real quick. Let's just like delete this. This is not indented correctly. And then, oh, let's go like this. Is everything, you can see it? Yeah. You have to go like this, Control Shift. Bam. True. This is what we were looking for, actually. No, what we should have done is this. Still true. Ah, this makes sense. Okay, yeah. See, I was being autistic again. What we were trying to look, it's literally right here. Returns a true if the sequence with the blah 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 special blah 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 blah. Yes. Yes. Okay. Oh no. We have very little time left. Very little. This is okay. Let's see. Do you know how to use libraries? No. Alright, I'm going to leave now. Jacob, if you fucking play Minecraft again, I will leave you. Don't you worry, my friend. I will not play Minecraft again. I will not do it. No, I will not do it. I will not do it. No, don't worry. Okay, only for you. Only for you, Fracture. I will not do it. You could download a VR VM. I don't know what that is. Bro's losing it, maybe a little bit. When the gaming stream. Is that something you'd be interested in? 15 votes. Damn, I'm surprised that many people voted on this. Damn. Oh, virtual machine. I don't know what that is. You guys, let me know if you boys would like a gaming stream, because we've got a little bit of Arc Raiders. You might be able to cook there. You know what I'm saying? We might be able to cook there. Loki. I like this. I like this a lot. Okay. Oh my god, that demon timer is... Let's learn one more thing before the demon timer goes off. Any second now it's going to go off. Any second. And... yeah, okay. Okay, fruits. All this makes sense. Okay. Banana fruits, that makes sense. Alright, check if pineapple... You guys can see, right? Yeah, pineapple is not present in the list. Print pineapple... This can easily be an if statement. Not in. If fracture, not in. Yeah. So we should get a you are dumb. Because look, fracture is inside of this right here. You see this? Right there. Is inside of X. X is this. Fracture is clearly in that. So what's going to happen? If fracture is not in this, then we're going to print... The demon timer went off. Minecraft? I'm joking. I'm totally fucking joking. Okay, and then what's going to happen? So if fracture not in this, then we're going to print fracture in X. But guess what? We're not going to do this. Because it is in here. So, we're going to do this. You're dumb. Control X. You are dumb. This is exactly what we got right here. Oh, you can't see it because I'm being autistic again. Absolutely, my friend. Absolutely. Hey, you know what you should do? You consider dropping a sub. You should consider it. It would mean a lot to me. It would mean a lot. As you can tell from this board over here. Actually, you can't tell. This board over here, we're trying to get to 1,000 subbies. Oh my god. End of the world. End of the world. Come on. There you go. There you go. We're trying to get to 1,000 subbies. So if you would be the absolute peak, get that number up to that number. Let's add a comma to that. Let's add a comma. It would mean the world to me. Thank you, boys, for if you did. I sincerely appreciate it. Oh, what do you want? Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Thank you, boys. I appreciate you guys very much. Got a comp. Dude, good fucking luck. How did Ramo, dude? How did... You guys haven't seen Ramo, I guess, in this stream. I wonder how Ramo did. He has he had an exam. I wonder how well he did. I bet he passed. He's an intellectual dude. He passed, definitely. But yeah, see you, my boys. I hope you guys have a swell afternoon. This is probably where I'm... Actually, no, I'm going to go through this thing real quick, and then I'm going to end stream. But I hope you boys have a swell afternoon, okay? Swell, or morning, whatever. I hope you have a swell time, okay? Thank you for joining, boys. Thank you for your sub. It meant a lot. Oh, if you're still here, join the Discord, too. Join the Discord. And frolic with intellectual intellects. Right here. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that, bro. Thank you, boys. Thank you. Yeah, join the Discord. If you want. I'm only holding you at gunpoint, okay? That's all. Okay, we're almost done. Let's lock in for this last push. Last push. Okay. Text equals hello world. Print H in text. What? What? Oh, this makes sense. So this is going to return true. Let's go like this. Control X. Control V. Go like this. Bam, bam. We should get a true, right? True. Yes, okay. Okay, just making sure. Like this. Like this. We're almost there, boys. We're almost there. I am I'm not late for work yet, but I need to be getting ready. Okay. It totally makes sense. Totally makes sense. Okay. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Lock in, boys. Lock in. Okay. What does in operator do? It checks a value existing in a sequence. That seems correct. Adds value in this? No. Compares to values. It does not do that. It does this. Correct? Of course I got that correct. Of course it did. Of course we did. Okay. What is the result of A in apple? What is it? What? I'm thinking it's true. True. Yeah, because there is an A in apple. It was correct. It was correct. Next one. Okay. Are membership operators case sensitive when used in strings? Ooh, we didn't know about this. Are they case sensitive? If the variable is, if like the value, or yeah, if the variable is case different, has a different case, then yeah, it is case sensitive. But if the actual thing is case sensitive, only sometimes. What type of fucking thing is this? Actually, let's figure it out right now. Here's what we are to do. Poo. Wait, no. Poo. Okay. Like this. Bam. 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 Capital P. Print P and X. Okay. So this, if this is going to be, if it's true, then yes. If it's false, then no. False. So it's, yes, it is sensitive. It is case sensitive. That's good to know. We did not know this. We did not know this. It is case sensitive. So whenever it's a X, and I go over here and I do this, you think that this is fine, right? You're going to print true. No, we're going to run it. False. We get a false. You know why? This is capitalized. Now, what you get? True. True. We do get true. Next question. I think the last question. Okay. Use the correct membership operator to check if apple is present in the fruits object. Okay. Fruits equals apple, banana. If apple in it seems a little weird, but it should work. You know what must be done now? You know what must be done now? It's like this. Oh, wrong one. Ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you boys for being here. I hope you guys have a swell afternoon, swell time. I'm gonna be taking my leave right about now. Hold on, we need to. Where are we at? Hold up. Let's check. Let's check our. Where are we at? We're gonna mark this now, because if we fail to do that, we will get unfortunately lost. Let's mark. No, not. Let's do the next one. Next. Mark. There we go. And go like this. One moment. One moment. Where'd it go? It was just right here. It was just right here. It was just right here. Here we go. Okay. I hope you boys had a swell time today. I hope if it's morning that you continue to have a good morning. I hope if it's night you continue to have a good night. I hope that wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you have an amazing time. Not just an amazing time. No. The best time. Hold on, let's go this. And remember, stay focused. Mwah.